ting from London, West London, Chelsea near King's Road. She don't care about my area code, she's about like she ain't aware of the road. And I know twins from Essex, but one of them wants me bad, I might dead it. I don't wife these things, I'll stress it, undress it, I go in when I press it. Melina from Brum's Algerian, she's got bare problems, I ain't hearing them. She said, baby, my features are yours, and I swear to God you won't catch me sharing them. Shouts to the girls run a UK Peng, L Peng, Yasmin Peng. Do a show with my brother Rose OT, tell her picting that you might see me again. My light skin don't miss me, cause she hates tracksuits, they're shifty. I said I wear them cause I do road, and my 95s it imports 250. I got a posh bad thing in a uni, Hollywood that she star in a movie. Her dad's rich so she's coated in diamonds, eyes are emeralds and her lipstick's ruby. My close friend I ain't tryna mash that, but she's a blue foot with a fat back. LV from her feet to a handbag, but it ain't that, so a nigga gotta hang back. All my ex-things still hate me, like work and their love don't pay me. Hold tight Jess and Chelsea, they're real, still think case buff, but I don't like Katie. Someone told Lottie I'm a wife that, tell her bring her bags round my gaff. Got the game tapped like an iPad, fly in, fly out when I like fam. Shay, Cheyenne and Tina all fluffy, face is clean but their mind's so dirty. Man, they gonna catch me a duppy, arch the back and give them stick rocky. No likes the way that I'm rhyming, try scratch up my back when I'm piping. Pum fresh up on wet when I'm sliding, rate that she's bad with the riding. I go for Brighton's true pedigree, doggy that when I'm pissed off the NSC. She's always cloud knife on her lemony, check that rarely she got too much energy. Relationships all get sticky, I need a cute thing like Vicky. I was down south with my bloodline ex, I linked the honeys and the motive got sticky. I got a pen thing, she's from Tottenham, true say that the thing lives in Tottenham. In a group we're chatting about Arsenal, Panther, and now she's chatting about Tottenham. My new thing's just a weed head, strong like Michael Martinez. Stare at us fam when I see Fez, no foreplay, I fit that like freeze heads. I'm new school, no new wave, real bad, not sweet, that too fake. My boys want the old love that I have, Lebanese thing, come and grab man in a new shape. Can't step on my air ones, you dumb, like man up, that's too flake. All my babes all like touche, gave a dick and that bright red bouquet. I get dark at Tuesday, big things in my lids get slashed with a roof face. I might should go first, something like Sunday, then Zoo, you can be third at Tuesday.
Man, some days all I can be fucked to say is safe, bruv. Or give me more sticky draw, can't be blazing 8 fuck. But some days I hear more rappers talk like their thoughts matter, pouring appallingly poor chat. And them days couldn't shut me up with a claw hammer, pummeling my jaw to a sore sack of raw grammar. And if this day was your day, why would it be sitting in my palm as I write bars on your face? My forte is 4-day benders in war paint. All great friends till the dawn breaks, sure mate. Let's all wait in line and watch your reign end in a short space of time. I'm a smorgasbord of all this war, a tour de foreshore to shore storms are form when I pour. Give me more and more, pour for war, cause my appetite's hacking like swords of war. I'm like, is that you beneath that suit of breeze, or just a huge heap of what you used to be? Man, my whole crew's deep with the gruesome speech, but I ain't never seen a peak of your music scene. But I ain't losing sleep, cruise the streets with gruesome beasts and mutant freaks consuming me. So peace, that's my cue to leave. 2MS and SMB with a cruise to beach.
Shut your fry, shut your fry.
Give this back burner, you need this crew, leave your mans on the back burner.
Shut your fry, just shut your fry.
Some days all
all I can be fucked to say is fuck that. Give me that skunk back to the scum rap. One bad apple in the batch could corrupt that. Tatty rags, rock a drug habit like a crutch, and it's fuck that. Some will never get their subtle touch back. Sat in a dunce hat, pummeling a punch bag. This is Icarus, the sun's back. So cut that, you can never give me enough slack. It goes snip, cut, chop, now I'm falling free. From the floors and the ceilings, I'm caught between. I ain't a bit fucked off, man, I'm bored of me. But not as bored as I'm bored at this boring scene. So talk your breathe, small talk is cheap. And some days that's all you can afford to eat. Now my crew's balls deep in the rawest meat that I found on the mortuary floors I sweep. Aborted beat that's caught in my claws and teeth, torn to pieces. When the four horsemen speak, we don't pause to breathe, so don't pause the beat. Cause I'm brewing like the storms that I walk beneath. Please, fall off like an autumn leaf. I'll keep it short and sweet like the whores I piece. So peace, cause that's all from me. Mr. Key CP, can I get a chorus please?
Shut your pride. Shut your pride. Shut your pride. Just shut your pride.
Man, some days all I can be fucked to say is yeah me. Suffocate and stare straight slumped on a chair. And most days I'm drunk chatting jumble like I'm bear safe. Raring in your face on the staircase. A scared state straight hoping that I don't slip. Vocally I float and blow shit from my ghost ship. A known prick ripping dope shows in my shit clothes. Kicking little kids in their ribs with my big toes. Licking all my piss rhythm fingers at the disco. It's Jimbo spitting piss and shit at your windows. I ain't quick with my lyrics, I'm a bit slow. Scribbling a whole bunch of visions till it hits home. So give that a listen. My shit's hit and miss, so I sit back and glisten with the big sack I piss in. Gobshite Dykstar on it with the small talk, puffing up rotten steak, bogging it on all fours.
Shut your pride. Shut your pride.
It's back further. Kicking it is through. Leave your mans on the back burner.
Shut your pride. Just shut your pride.
Some days all I can be fucked to do is wake up, sit about in my house, bun a zoot and take drugs. Some days I'll be running through a bait club, drunk on booze, trying to smudge a groupie's makeup. These days, fuck, I still trace the streets from A to B, trying to find a place to sleep. But fuck the pavement, I'll break in and stay for weeks. And I'm bringing all the contact, play with me, the vapor fleet of waste, man, we aim to please. I'll be staining your sheets or your lady's cheek, it's all the same to me. So let me say my piece, cause basically the whack stuff, it ain't for me. Oi, Blackstar, we ain't just a crew to beat, with the crew to beat bruises and stupid creeps and useless teams of wankers we're doomed to meet. Shut up, I see through your abusive speech, cause now I'm twice as fucking nice as what I used to be. And every time I touch the mic it's just the truth I speak. CP, yeah we do this and soon you'll see. To MS and SMB, get to booting please.
Shut your pride. Shut your pride.
It's back further. Kicking it is through. Leave your mans on the back burner.
Shut your pride. Just shut your pride. Shut your fucking craft to me. Shut your craft to me.